Cicada 3301, the Internet's greatest. Cicada 3301, the Internet's greatest mystery. The unsolved puzzle that still haunts the web. Narration script, 10 minutes. 00 to 035. Hook. On January 4th, 2012, a mysterious image appeared on 4chan. It looked simple. A white text on black background with a single message. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test. Below it, a signature. 3301. What followed was the most complex puzzle the Internet has ever seen. A scavenger hunt spanning multiple continents, ancient texts, cryptography, steganography, and codes hidden in books that were hundreds of years old. Welcome to the Void Archives. Today, we're diving into Cicada 3301, the puzzle that no one has ever fully solved. 035 to 215. The first puzzle appears. The original image posted on 4chan seemed innocent enough, but hidden within the image file itself was a secret message. Using a technique called steganography, solvers discovered text. Encrypted within the image's data, it led to a URL, and that URL led to another puzzle, and another, and another. The challenges escalated rapidly. Caesar ciphers, book codes referencing obscure texts, Mayan numerals, runes, prime numbers, coordinates to physical locations. In cities around the world where posters had been placed with QR codes, the complexity was staggering. Solvers needed expertise in advanced cryptography, multiple ancient languages, philosophy and occult symbolism, computer programming, and access to rare historical texts. Thousands tried. Only a handful made real progress. After 1 month, on February 5th, 2012, a final message appeared. We have now found the individuals we sought. The journey has ended. But this wasn't the end. It was only the beginning. 2:15 to 4. The puzzle returns. In January 2013, exactly 1 year later, a new message appeared. Same signature. 3301. Same format. But an even harder puzzle. This time, the challenges were more elaborate. Solvers had to decrypt messages using one-time pads, locate physical coordinates across 5 continents, solve riddles embedded in medieval manuscripts, use darknet hidden services on Tor. One solver reported finding a book in a library in Poland with a page marked. That page contained coordinates. Those coordinates led to a telephone pole in a rural area with a new QR code attached. The global nature of the hunt was unprecedented. This wasn't just an internet puzzle. It was a real-world investigation requiring travel, resources, and collaboration between strangers across the world. Again, after weeks of intense solving, the puzzle ended with a message. The ones we sought have been found. In January 2014, Cicada returned for a 3rd time. But this puzzle was never completed publicly. It simply stopped. Since then, silence. No new puzzles. No explanations. Just an enigma that refuses to fade. 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Who is behind Cicada? 3301. The identity of Cicada's creators remains one of the Internet's greatest unsolved mysteries, but theories abound. Theory 1. Government Intelligence Agency. Many believe Cicada was a recruitment tool for the NSA, CIA, or GCHQ. The puzzle's complexity suggests institutional resources. The global coordination, the sophisticated cryptography, the emphasis on privacy and darknet technologies. Some solvers who claimed to reach the end reported being contacted privately and invited to exclusive forums. What happened next? They signed NDAs, or so the story goes. Theory 2. Secret society. The symbolism throughout Cicada's puzzles points to esoteric knowledge, references to the Kabbalah and mysticism. Cicada symbolism across cultures representing rebirth and immortality. William Blake's mystical poetry. Gnostic texts. Some believe Cicada is recruiting for a modern secret society, a digital age mystery school seeking enlightened individuals. Theory 3. Crypto project. Others speculate Cicada was recruiting cryptographers for a major project, perhaps blockchain development, digital currency, or advanced encryption systems. The timing aligns with Bitcoin's early growth. The skills tested match what cryptocurrency developers would need. Theory 4. Elaborate art project. The simplest explanation: Cicada is performance art. An internet-native artwork exploring themes of mystery, intelligence, and the nature of hidden knowledge in the digital age. But if it's art, why stop? Why the secrecy? And why has no artist ever claimed credit? 6 o'clock to 7:45. The lingering mysteries. Even after a decade, questions remain unanswered. What happened to the winners? Dozens claimed to reach the puzzle's end. Some reported being added to private email lists. Others mentioned exclusive darknet forums. One alleged winner said they were given a new puzzle that never ended. But verifying any of this is impossible. Winners don't talk, and if they do, their stories conflict.